Press the wireless and resume buttons together to turn on Wi-Fi Direct on your printer. The wireless light will turn on, indicating that Wi-Fi Direct is active. Print a Wi-Fi Direct help page that includes connection setup instructions, the information and resume buttons at the same time to print the page. On your computer, go to the Settings menu. Look for the Wi-Fi settings and turn on Wi-Fi. Wait for your PC to detect available Wi-Fi networks. Look for the network name starting with DirectX HP. XX represents a unique combination of numbers and letters. Tap on the network name to connect to it. If prompted, enter the Wi-Fi Direct password displayed on the printers. Open Control Panel. Click on the Start button, then type Control Panel in the search bar and press Enter. In the Control Panel window, click on View Devices and Printers. Click on the Add a Printer. Windows will search for available printers. Select your printer from the list and follow the on-screen instructions to complete the installation.